Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Today, I will show how to add and manage sound for YouTube Shorts on PC. Start by preparing audio file formats like MP3 or WAV at 128 kbps. Keep total video length under 60 seconds to qualify as a short. Use a vertical aspect ratio of 9:16 for best display. Name files clearly and store them in one project folder for speed. Open your editing app on PC before launching YouTube Studio upload window. This workflow reduces mistakes and saves time when adding music. Import your video and audio into a desktop editor like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. Place music on a separate timeline layer for trimming and volume control. Trim audio to match cuts and add a half-second fade at each transition. Normalize dialogue to -6 dB and music to -12 dB. Preview the audio library for royalty-free tracks before using them. For popular songs, use licensed clips or the YouTube matching tool. Export audio at 128 kbps and export video as MP4 vertical 9:16. Open YouTube Studio on PC and click Create, then Upload Video. Select your vertical MP4 and confirm it is under 60 seconds. Add your audio and set playback offset and trim in editor. Enable subtitles by uploading an SRT or using automatic captions option. Set volume balance using the slider so voice stays clear over music. Write a concise title, include the word short, and add #shorts hashtag. Publish or schedule the short and monitor 24-hour analytics for issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.